Okay, dear students, the first chapter is integers. Before we are going to discuss integers, what is natural numbers? In the last class, already you learnt natural numbers. Natural numbers means counting numbers are called natural numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. It is denoted by n. Capital N is equal to set of capital N is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, what is the least natural number? 1 is the least natural number. What is the greatest natural number means we cannot say what is the greatest natural number because it is unlimited. Suppose if you think here 4 is there. If 4 is the greatest natural number, 5 also is there which is greater than 4. So we do not say 4 is the greatest one. In the same manner, suppose if you think 100 is the greatest natural number, 101 also is there which is greater than 100. So we do not think like that. So what is the highest natural number means infinity we say. Okay, next if you write 0 with these natural numbers as a set, you will get a set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers. So whole numbers set W is equal to, it is denoted by W. W is equal to set of 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So here what is the least whole number means 0. What is the greatest whole number means as usually infinity. Okay, infinity. If you write negative numbers and whole numbers as a set, then you will get a bigger set which is greater than W and n. Okay, so W and n, and it is called as set of integers. It is denoted by either Z or I. Either Z or I. Integers, set of integers Z is equal to so on set of -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2 so on. So Z is equal to set of so on -2, this is -1, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, that means +1, +2, like that we have to think of it. So here if you want to say which is greater, which is smaller means two different cases are there. What are those two different cases means the least, first we have to write down the least negative integer, the greatest negative integer, least negative integer, greatest negative integer. Next the least positive integer. In the same way the greatest positive integer you have to say. Here see what is the least negative integer means see, suppose this is the number line. If you think this is the number line, okay, 0 is there, here 0 is there, here 1 is there, okay, here 2 is there, here 3 is there, here 4 is there, like that you will go. Okay, number line. Both sides we have to write down the arrow marks. Next, while you are moving to left side, you will get -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and so on. See, here -1 is there, -2 is there. -2 is smaller than -1. -3 is there, -2 is there. -3 is smaller than -2. -4 is there, -3 is there. -4 is smaller than -3. Okay. So while you are moving towards the left side, the value decreases and infinite numbers also there. So what is the least negative integer means we cannot say what is the least negative integer. Okay, because here see, you are, suppose if you are following, then you will get infinite numbers while you are moving to the left side. So that's why infinity. What is the greatest negative? Greatest negative means -1 is the greatest negative integer, -1. Okay, suppose if you think 0 is greater but 0 is not negative. Suppose if you think 1 is greater than -1 but 1 is positive, -1 is negative. What is the question means the greatest negative. It should be negative and should be greatest. So -1. Next, what is the least positive integer? What is the least positive integer means 1 is the least positive. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So we should not write. Okay. So what is the least positive means 1 is the least positive integer. What is the greatest positive integer means we cannot say. While you are moving towards the right side, you will get more numbers. Okay, infinite numbers you will get. That's why we cannot say which one is the bigger one. Okay, and 0. 0 is neither positive. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Neither positive nor negative. Such integer is 0, you have to remember. Okay. So this is the integers. This is about the integers. In this chapter we shall discuss what are the properties of integer, how do we add, how do we subtract those properties, and in our daily life some applications also we will see. Okay, there are 7 exercises in this chapter. Today we shall see the first exercise. Okay, see, before we are going to exercise, something is given here. Let us now represent some integers on a number line. A number line is given there. Okay, which is the biggest integer represented on the above number line. So you have to remember, biggest means suppose positive numbers are there, means always positive numbers are bigger than negative numbers. So that's why think of positive numbers. So in this one, see what is the biggest means you have to go to the right side. Here 6 is there, that is the greater one. So that is the biggest integer. Okay, biggest integer. Which is the smallest integer? Which is the smallest integer means negative numbers are always smaller than the positive numbers. So you have to come towards the left side. Here see, minus 6 is there. Minus 6 is the smallest among all those numbers. Is 1 bigger than minus 3? Why? Here see, look at the third question. Is 1 bigger than minus 3? Here 1 is there. Okay, here 1 is there, and minus 3 is there. So 1 is on the right side, minus 3 is on the left side. The left side values are always smaller than the right side values on a number line. So 1 is bigger than. Next, is minus 6 bigger than minus 3? Minus 6 is there here. Next, minus 3 is there here. So minus 6 is bigger than minus 3 means it's a wrong statement, because of minus 3 is on the right side. So minus 3 is bigger one. Minus 6 is a smaller one. But what he has given means minus 6 bigger than minus 3. So that is a wrong statement. Okay. Next, arrange 4, 6, minus 2, 0 and minus 5 in ascending order. Okay. Now let us write the question. 4, 6, minus 2, 0 and minus 5. He asked us ascending order. A, S, C, E, N, D, I, N, G. Ascending order. Ascending means smaller to bigger. Smaller number to bigger number. Smaller number to bigger number you have to write down. So smaller numbers means see here 0 is there, negative numbers are there, positive numbers are there. In such a case, first we have to go to negative numbers. So what are the negative numbers here? 2 numbers are there, minus 2, minus 5. In between minus 2 and minus 5, minus 5 is the smaller one. So write down minus 5 first. Okay, because of on the number line, minus 5 is on left side. Next, minus 2 is on right side. So minus 5 is the smaller one, minus 2 is bigger one. So minus 5, next minus 2. So already we have written negative numbers. Now positive numbers. Before we are going to positive numbers, there is 0. So write down this 0. Next, compare the positive numbers. Here 2 positive numbers are there, 4 and 6. Between these two, 4 is smaller one, 6 is bigger one. This is the ascending order. Minus 5 is the least one. Next to bigger number next to minus 5 is minus 2. Next bigger 0. Next bigger number 4. Next bigger number 6. Okay. In such a way we have to identify. Okay. Next, compare. Next, sixth question. Compare the difference between 0 and 1 and 0 and minus 1 on the number line. Compare the difference. What is the difference means here? See, 0 and 1. So 0 and 1, whenever you compare, 1 is on the right side to 0 on the number line. While you are comparing 0 and minus 1 is on the left side. Okay, so that is the difference you have to find. Okay, what is the next thing? Let us see. Exercise 1. We have to go to exercise 1. Here see, first question. Some integers are marked on the number line. So here number line is given. Some integers are marked. which is the biggest and which is the smallest, which is the bigger one, biggest one, and which is the smallest one. Here see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. What are the numbers marked here? Here 2 is marked positive integer. Here minus 3 is marked negative integer. He asked us the biggest and the smallest between these two. What is the biggest means the number which is on the right side is always bigger. So that's why here 2 is the biggest number and minus 3 is the smallest number. Okay, in between those two numbers. Okay. Next, second question. Look at the second question. Write the integers. Write the integers between the pairs of integers given below. Some pairs are given to you. There are 3 questions. Okay, a pair of numbers given to you. You have to write down the numbers in between these two numbers and also choose the biggest and the smallest integers from them. You have to choose the biggest and the smallest integers from them. So what is the first question means? Here see, the first question is 2 numbers are given, minus 5, minus 10. Minus 5 and minus 10 are given to you. Here see, suppose this is the number line. This is the number line. Suppose you have to write down 0 here. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So minus 5 is given. Next minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, and here see minus 10. He asked us to write the numbers between these pairs. Here see minus 5, it is there. Next minus 10, it is there. What are the numbers between these numbers means? Here see minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. So these are the numbers. And choose the biggest and the smallest. What is the biggest number? As we discussed earlier, the number which is on the right side is bigger one. So here minus 6 is the biggest number. This is the biggest. This is the biggest number. Minus 6 is the biggest number and minus 9 is the smallest number. It is the smallest number. Okay, did you understand? We shall go to the next problem. What is the next one here? 3 and minus 2. 3 and minus 2. 3 and minus 2. Second question. 3 and minus 2 given to you. Here see. Let us suppose this is the number line. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Next, while you are moving to left side, minus 1. Minus 2. So 3 and minus 2. These two numbers are given to you. You have to identify the numbers between these two numbers. So here 3. Okay, deadline. Next minus 2. So this is the minus 2. This is 3. What are the numbers between 3 and minus 2? Minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Okay, we have written. And one more thing you have to identify. What is the smallest and what is the biggest? What is the smallest means minus 1 is the smallest because of it is on the left side. So this is the smallest number. This is the smallest integer and this is the biggest integer. This is the biggest integer. Okay, that is the second question. Now look at the third question. Here minus 8 and 5 are given to you. Minus 8 and 5. So already you know minus 8 and 5 are given to you means you can write. Okay, this is third question. Minus 8, 5. So minus 8. Suppose on the number line minus 8 is there here. Next here minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus 1 already given. Next 5 already given. You have to write down the remaining numbers between them. That means these are the numbers. Minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4 and so on up to 4. Okay. But here one more thing also you have to identify. What is the smallest number? Here see minus 7 is the smallest. Minus 7 is the smallest, and here 4 is the biggest number. 4 is the biggest number. Okay. Now we shall go to the next, third Roman. We shall go to third Roman. What is the third Roman? Write the following integers in ascending order. Ascending order. Okay, ascending order. Ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. Smaller number to bigger number. So first one minus 5 to 1 minus 8. Okay, ascending order you have to write down. Ascending order. Okay, ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Smallest. Already told you. Here positive numbers are there, negative numbers are there. In such a case, smallest means you have to consider negative numbers first of all. Negative numbers means minus 5, minus 8. In between minus 5 and minus 8, which one is the smallest? Automatically you know, minus 8 is the smallest. So minus 8, first you have to write down minus 8. Next bigger one, no, minus 5. Okay, negative numbers completed. Now come to the positive numbers, 1 and 2. So in between 1 and 2, 1 is the smaller one, next 2 is the bigger one. So minus 8, minus 5, 1, 2. Minus 8 is smaller than minus 5. That means this is bigger than this one. 1 is bigger than minus 5. 2 is bigger than 1. So smaller number to bigger number. Okay. This is the first question. Now second question. Look at the second. Second one. What is the second problem? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 5, 2. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 5 and 2. So ascending order means smaller number to bigger number. Smaller number means, first of all, among these numbers, which one is the smallest one means you have to think of negative numbers first. Here negative integers are there. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 5. Among all these, minus 5 is the smallest one. Next minus 4, next minus 3, and the final one is 2. So this is ascending order. Okay, this is bigger one than this one, this is bigger one than this one, this is bigger one than this one. Okay, now what is the third question? Minus 10, minus 15, minus 7. Minus 10, minus 15 and minus 7. Okay, see, all numbers are negative numbers. So in such a case, already you know, minus 15 is the smaller one. Among all these numbers, which is the smallest means minus 15. After that, minus 10. After that, minus 7. This is the ascending order. Okay, this is ascending order. Now we shall go to the next problem. Write the following integers in a descending order. In the previous question, ascending, smaller to bigger. Now here see, descending order, biggest to smallest. Okay, fourth Roman. First question, let us see. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. All numbers are negative numbers. Okay. Now see, you have to remember biggest to smallest you have to write. Biggest to smallest. Biggest to smallest number. Biggest to. So among all these numbers, which one is bigger one? Minus 2. Minus 2. After that, minus 3. After that, minus 5. Already the given order is in the descending order. Okay. Next, minus 8, minus 2, minus 1. Second question, minus 8, minus 2, minus 1. Minus 8, minus 2, minus 1. Okay, see, here, bigger number you have to pick up. Okay, among these, minus 1. So, minus 1, next one, minus 2, next one, minus 8. Okay, next, 5, 8, minus 2. Third question, 5, 8, minus 2. 5, 8, minus 2. Okay, see, what is the biggest number? Here see, two positive numbers are there, one negative number is there. Biggest, first of all you have to consider. See, in such a case you have to consider positive numbers. What are the positive numbers? Means 5 and 8 are the positive numbers. So in between 5 and 8, 8 is the bigger one. Okay, next one is 5. Next one is minus 2. This is the descending order. Descending order means biggest to smallest. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. We have to remember. Okay.